I just want to do a quick review on the Bostitch pancake compressor. I've had mine for about 2 years now, and I like it very much. It does a good job. I'm a roofer by trade, so I have used it on a couple jobs. I did a 100 bundle roof with two guys nailing, and it kept up to us no problem. And I've also nailed my shed, no problem. And yeah, it's got a nice carrying handle, which makes it easy to carry around. As you can see right up there, it's got the label with all the specs. It's got a couple of gauges, the gauges here for the tank pressure, regulator pressure. And another good thing is that if you're doing something and you need more than just a nail gun or wrench or whatever it is you're doing, you got the two outlets here for the air hose. And when I bought mine, it came in a package with a small brad nailer and also a 25-foot hose. The regular price on the total package was $2.99. I bought it on sale at Lowe's for $1.99, and yeah, I'm very satisfied with it. It is not the quietest, but it does the job, and it doesn't take long for it to fill up. So yeah, I would give it a 5-star review, and thanks for watching.